Numerical number 12. Question is velocity time graph of a body moving in a straight line, underline straight line, is shown in the figure. Find the displacement and distance traveled by the body in 6 seconds. The graph is of this type. For how many seconds? Draw free hand. Free hand. This is velocity in meter per second. First, for the first 2 seconds, particle moves with what velocity? 4. Then particle moves with what velocity? -2. For how many seconds? 2 seconds. Next 2 seconds, 2 to 4. Then again particle moves with 2 for next 2 seconds. We can mark the path as A, B, C, D, E, F. Time with you is 3 minutes. Try. Find distance covered by the particle and displacement. First part deals with what? Displacement. Photograph. Yes. A to B. Say forward direction. How much? Particle moves with 4 meter per second. For how much time? 2 seconds. So this area gives the distance covered, displacement. 4 into 2, 8. First part, it moves forward. Then C to D, yes, it moves backward. किस तरह पता लग गया? Negative, velocity is minus. Velocity negative means the particle moves in the backward direction. C to D, how much? Yes. How much? 2 seconds, 2 meter per second. Distance covered is 4, but in the backward direction. Then E to F. This is 2 meter per second, time is 2 seconds. So this is C to D and then E to F. So the movement is like person moves forward, then moves backward, and then again moves forward. Find the distance and displacement. 1 minute with you. First part, distance covered. करो कितना आया? Yes. Distance covered 8 plus 4 plus 4 16. Distance is 8 plus 4 plus 4 comes out to be 16. B part is displacement. Yes, you move forward 8, then back. That is why it has to be negative. Then again forward plus. That is why for displacement, because it is a vector quantity, if you mark the horizontal direction as I, then it is 8I plus 4 minus I, because you moved backward. Again you move forward plus 4I. This 4 and 4 cancelled. Person is at what distance from initial point? Final distance. Final person is at F from A. What is the displacement? 8. Procedure mathematically. Area under velocity time graph. This is velocity, this is time. Velocity into time is displacement. So area under the graph will give you what? Displacement. But the area which is above this will mean plus. So it is how much? 8 into 2. This is 8. This is 2. 8 into 2 is plus 16. And this one, 2 into 2, 4. Why minus? Because negative velocity will mean that you are moving in the backward direction. So it is minus 4. Again it is above this axis. 2 into 2, this is 4 plus 4. Plus this value is how much? 4, sorry. Yes, I have written 8. That's the mistake. I have written 8. This is 4. This value is 4. 4 into 2, this is 8. Yes. 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 2, this is minus 4, and then 2 and 2, again 4. So for any area above this to be marked as a positive, below this to be marked as a negative, and then you can come out with. If you want distance, then take the magnitude only the magnitude. 8 plus 4 plus 4, 16. If you want displacement, then take into account the sign also. Plus 8, minus 4 and plus 4. Try numerical number 14, 1, 4. The total phenomena is for how many seconds? 18. So draw the graph. You have velocity, here you have time. O to A, 0 to 20 at 8 seconds. 8 seconds you reach to 20, O to A. Then 8 to 10, here you move from 20 to 10. This is the point. This is B. 14. C. Distance covered by the particle between 0 to 18 seconds. First part. Solve first part. First part is what? Distance covered by a particle 0 to 18 seconds. Distance covered 0 to 18 seconds. Can you divide it in this O, A, let me say P, this part, this area. Let me call this as A1. Then this area as A2. This area as A3 and the last area as A4. Find A1, A2, A3 and A4. Find 4 areas. Area under VT graph gives a displacement. Area of a triangle, schools below, 1 by 2 base into height. Area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Yes, A1 comes out to be what? Area A1, 1 by 2, base. Base is how much? 8. Height, 20. How much? 80 units? 80 units, 80 meters. Area A2, yes. A2 is, this is how much? 10 to 20, that means this height is 10, this is 8 to 10, 2. So this is 10, this is 2. 1 by 2 base into height, 10 meters. A3, yes, it is a rectangle, yes. This is how much? 8 to 14, this is 6. This height is how much? 10. Area A3 is 6 into 10, 60 meter. Area A4, yes, 1 by 2 base into height. Base is how much? 14 to 18, 4 into height, 10. Comes out to what? 20 meters. Total area, total distance covered, area A1 plus A2 plus A3, 80 plus 10 plus 60 plus 20, 1 centimeter. Answer to first part, check, 1 centimeter. Second part, 2 second to 12 second, 2 second to 12 seconds. Try at your own, up to this only. Total is known to you. Subtract this part, only this part, this area. Find this area is equal to what? That is simple way to answer. Total minus distance covered in 0 to, yes, 12 seconds, 2 to 12 seconds, 2 to 12 seconds is equal to total area, how much? 170 minus, subtract 12, that means this part, whatever you get in this part, 2, that means whatever you get in this part, means this area, how much? 1 by 2 into base into height. Check. Yes. 0 to 8 you reach to 20, 0 to 2 you reach 1/4, that is 5. Yes. This will come out to be 5. 1 by 2 into base into height. Minus. What about this area? This area is how much? This area is how much? 2 into 10. This area is 2 into 10. 2 into 10 plus area of this triangle A4. 1 by 2 base 4 into this height is how much? 10. 20. 1 by 2 into 4 into 10. What you get is 170 minus 5 minus, this is 40. 170 minus 45. Yes. 125. Check answer to the second part. 125. Third part. Maximum value of acceleration, A max, magnitude. How do you find acceleration from velocity time graph? Yes, as per definition, acceleration is what? Rate of change of velocity with the time. As per definition, acceleration is rate of change of velocity with time. Gives what? Slope. Slope of a velocity time graph. Find the slope in each part. Slope in part A, O to A. Slope in part A to B. Slope in part B to C. And slope in part C to D. Find slope in each case. Two minutes. Change in velocity by change in time. Slope in part O to A. Yes. Vertical distance, change in velocity. O to A, it is acceleration. Yes, how do you describe the phenomena? O to A, velocity is increasing. How do you increase the velocity? By acceleration in case of two-wheeler. In case of four-wheeler, you have a foot control accelerator. So O to A, you increase velocity, then you apply brakes, A to B, acceleration is negative. B to C, velocity remains constant. So no acceleration, no retardation. C to D, again you apply brakes. Magnitude, slope O to A, increase in velocity, final velocity 20, initial velocity 0, 20, change in velocity. How much time? 8 seconds. So 20 by 8. How much? 2.5 plus. Why plus? Positive value of acceleration means that the speed is, velocity is increasing. A to B, yes. What is the change in velocity? 20 to 10 or initial 20, final 10. Change is 10 and this time is how much? 2 seconds? 2 seconds. 10 by 2, but sign is minus 5 meter per second square. Third, B to C, slope is 0. Slope C to D, yes. C to D, yes. 10 final is 0. So this change is 10. How much time? 14 seconds to 18 seconds. 4. So what you get is 10 by 4 minus so 4 values. Question should be magnitude of acceleration. If you say magnitude of acceleration, then A to B, this is the right answer. Slope during A to B is how much? Minus 5. Magnitude of acceleration is maximum. Otherwise, see, whether it is acceleration or retardation, we say A, acceleration. Magnitude of acceleration is maximum when it is minus 5. So its magnitude will come out to what? 5, but here it is written as minus 5 meter per second.